What's going on, YouTube? We back. Another video, man. Today we getting ready to go to church. Actually, go praise the Lord a little bit. Spend some time with the family today, man. We gotta get a few things done today with the cars. I got the CT6 done, I think. I got all of it clean. We gotta clean up the Escalade today. And the Brougham, it definitely needs some love. It's been sitting for a minute. I ain't drove this car in like 2 weeks. It's been sitting in the corner, waiting on me to actually get it out. But I did have something else come in for it. So we got the custom plate on the front that I wound up getting off Amazon. Y'all can see how dirty this car is, man. I mean, it's just been sitting. It just got dirt everywhere, man. The top is just crazy. I need to get it out and clean it. But the crazy part is, it's not the fact that, you know, it's super bad out here. It's just, come down so y'all can see. At the end of my neighborhood, all the way down there, they done blew out the whole thing, man. They build more houses, so the dirt is just staying in the air. So I'm having to keep all the cars in the garage instead of letting them sit. You can see my son's Camaro is just covered in dirt. Just from them, you know, down there causing a ruckus, moving stuff around. So everything has to stay here in the garage for now unless I'm going somewhere. And then we can get it all straightened out. But yeah, today, you know, I gotta put the tag on the front of the CT6 too, man. I thought that was funny, man. Like, you know, I love everything that I do has a story behind it, man. And that saying right there, you know, my aunt used to always say that to me all the time. And the same thing with, you know, the car is actually built in memory of my aunt. So that's why I said Penny on the front is her name. So anyway, she used to always say this, man, all the time, man. And I loved it every day for it. She used to always say, everybody ain't able. That was her saying whenever you came by with something new. So I miss my aunt a whole lot. But today, we're gonna get this Escalade shined done. CT6, we gotta get the Camaro done, get this one done. And we're trying to think of where we're gonna shoot the intro video for the channel, because we've been trying to do that for a long time. Decide what we wanna do for an intro. Because I feel like I need that for my channel now. I had it long enough. And then, yeah, so many other little small things we gotta get done. Intro to the channel. And then on the Brougham, I really need to get back to it. I think that I'm gonna have to replace my drums on the rear, because when I had my brake issues I was having with the soft pedal, and I realized it had the leaking wheel cylinder on the back, we replaced it, but I think it had saturated that drum, and I should have went ahead and replaced the drum as well as when I replaced the shoes. So probably just gonna put new drums on the back. And then one of my car people out here in Oklahoma City told me a good place to go get my seats redone, because I'm actually just gonna get the seats redone, because when I was in it the other day and just pressed on the seat, and yeah, that happened. So, but we're gonna go back all factory. Everything, you know, everything will be factory. It ain't gonna be crazy. I don't like that stuff. So definitely getting the interior done pretty soon. We're gonna get it done. My little helper's always here. So yeah, that's kind of where we are. But right now, I'm actually finna get in the car, go to church, and we'll come back. And I think we're gonna take the Escalade first, because I got all the kids today and the wife. So normally if it's just me and my wife and a couple kids, we'll take this, but today we're gonna take this. So get it cleaned up and go to church, and we'll cut y'all back on when we get out of there. So it's a whole nother day, man. I wound up getting super busy yesterday doing stuff with the family, taking care of some stuff that we needed to get done. But right now, y'all see, we in the old school. On the way to work, man, to get some stuff taken care of. But like I said, I was trying to keep y'all updated. We actually got a few other small things we got to get done on this car before we send it off for interior at the end of the month. We ain't gonna send the car off. I'm just gonna take all the seats out and drop them off and get them done. I found a place that'll do them for a decent price, so I can still keep working on the car while it's, you know, in the shop. So we're getting the interior done. So that's the plan right now, is to get that done. And then once we finish all of that, while that's in the shop, we're gonna be working on some of the engine stuff that I want to do, as well as just getting just the little stuff done right now at this point. Like right now, I still gotta get a headliner in it. We're still working on trying to figure that out. Am I gonna try to build one from scratch or just keep searching? Because right now it's like a needle in a haystack to find one. So I'm more than likely gonna try to build one, you know, with fiberglass and just some kind of like particle board material, something I can shape and just build one that way. Hopefully we can. But right now we're finna get on this highway, go ahead and make our way to work and see what that has in store for us. Then we'll get home and figure the rest of the day out. But right now, get up here and gotta get these coilovers adjusted, because I guess over time, I mean, I haven't really driven it much, but my ride height's starting to sag a little bit. So, and when I load it down with my wife and kids, it just don't do right. It's like kind of heavy in the back. So we're gonna adjust them up a little bit higher and see how that works out. And yeah, so y'all stay tuned, man. We're gonna focus on this highway, man, and get back with y'all in a little bit. See, we back in the shop. Got this thing on the lift again. But we really just got on the lift because I got to get these coilovers adjusted. Man, I could not get the ride of this thing right when I got my family in here. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to try to get these coilovers adjusted and get them up a little bit. Probably about 1 inch higher in the back. Let's see, I changed that fuel filter. Clean it all up. We still haven't finished cleaning out the floors yet. We started this side. It's done. So we still got to go above and do this, but I'm gonna wait until I get my drive shaft out and do the U-joints on the drive shaft. So that's what we're dealing with on that. But right now, I'm gonna grab these wrenches, get these adjusted up. Hopefully everything turns out right. As y'all see, another 6.2 anyway, another Escalade 6.2. So gotta put one of those in later this week. But let me get these adjusted a little bit higher, and then hopefully everything will be right. We're gonna try to go 1 inch higher, so probably here to probably here. Maybe too high, but we'll see once we get it there, and spray it down with some more anti-seize and get these adjusted real quick. So I'll pull the car back out of the shop to get in the back adjusted. It's actually sitting a little bit higher in the back, so hopefully everything works out and I don't have to go any higher. So we're just gonna keep pounding away on this thing, man. We just got a few more things we actually wanna do. It's almost done, which is crazy. Just to paint, redo the intake, a headliner, and probably a console and a rear deck maybe. And so we're just gonna touch up a few other things on it. And then I'm more than likely about to get me a coupe de ville. I need another coupe. Pretty soon I'm gonna get another coupe, so y'all just stay tuned for that. We just gonna keep working on this one, the small stuff. I ain't got too much going right now, just waiting on stuff and really working, trying to get some cash saved up to put into this thing. So we got the suspension fixed, and yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. We're gonna get on the CT6 soon. We got to get the wheels off of it, get those powder coated, because right now they're kind of flaking. So we're gonna get those off and get them powder coated. The Camaro, we're about to start the wrap process on it, get it wrapped white, because all the cars will be white minus my old schools. And the coupe de ville I'm about to buy is actually the same exact color as this one, which is crazy to find one this color in a coupe de ville, in a 1977 coupe de ville, no less. So yeah, we just gonna keep pounding it out, man. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me in these videos, man, showing a little support for the Cadillac culture. So definitely, y'all, we're gonna keep bringing the Cadillac content and whatever else we can do. So appreciate y'all, man. We'll see y'all in the next video.